As you're aware that the private investment in the overall FDI that we are looking at to achieve the goal of making our economy into a 85,000 crore economy. Investments is a crucial part of that particular formula. And apart from the different steps that we have taken as a state in terms of policies, in terms of institutional setup, in terms of incentives, and all the local action and initiatives being taken, we need to get the support of investors from all across the board. We need the support of international agencies. We need the support of other nations, especially keeping in mind the Southeast Asian region and the BIMSTEC region. So this particular summit, which is called the ACT East Summit, which is being done in collaboration with ICC and Invest India and Meghalaya Investment Promotion Authority, is basically inclined or is directed towards bringing in the investment from these different nations. So we are hopeful that a larger network will be set. We're hopeful that there'll be a better partnership with these different countries, and we'll be able to work with different nations so that we can unlock the opportunities there that are existing in Meghalaya. Of course, ensuring that we're able to create the employment opportunities, which is what is one of the major goals of all the investment opportunities that we're looking at. And therefore, one cannot say that we are absolutely ready tonight or today. But the point being that a lot of work has gone in the last 6 years to be able to move in that direction. And we are in a much better position today than what we were many, many years back. And we need to keep investing in it. And I would say that we are in a very strong and very good position. A lot of work still needs to be done. But I think compared to what the situation was, say 6-7 years back, I think Meghalaya is in a much better position today. So this is what it's starting today. If you can see, it's not only today. In fact, if you recall, in 2019, I had done a road trip from Dauki. I entered into Tamabil, into Sylhet, drove to Dhaka, met investors. So this entire process has started from 2019 when we started moving around. And I've always wanted to move to other countries also, but because of COVID that time, things got derailed in a way. So the process is continuous, and we are engaging continuously. As mentioned earlier, that the activities require us to work at our local level, require us to create infrastructure and policies at the state level, requires our own entrepreneurs to be ready, requires a lot of infrastructure to be put up, connectivity, storage, cold storage, air connectivity, so on and so forth. So all of these challenges are there, and while we, as I said, moving towards that goal of ensuring that we are able to connect and partner with these nations, a lot of work has to be done at our level, and we are moving forward. And I'm very hopeful that this particular event is going to be another milestone and another level at which we'll be able to then take the investments to to higher level. Thank you so much.